Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. Children, let us recall what we have learnt in the last class. By the action of juices produced by liver, pancreas, and the small intestine, is converted into simple absorbable form. Carbohydrates into sugars such as glucose, fats into fatty acid and glycerol, and proteins into amino acids. Children, today we are going to know how the digested food get absorbed in the wall of the intestine. Children, the digested food pass into the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. Look at the figure, children. The inner walls of the small intestine have thousands of finger-like outgrowths called villi. It plays an important role. The villi increase the surface area for absorption of the digested food. Each villus is singular form of villi, has a network of thin and small blood vessels close to the surface. The surface of the villi absorbs the digested food materials. The absorbed substances are transported through blood vessels to different organs of the body where they are used to build complex substances such as the protein required by the body. This is called assimilation. In the cells, glucose breaks down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water, and energy is released. The food that remains undigested and unabsorbed enters into the large intestine. Look at the figure, children. The large intestine is wider and shorter than small intestine. It is about 1.5 meters in length. Children, you can recall that small intestine is 7.5 meters long. Large intestine's function is to absorb water and some salts from the undigested food materials. The remaining waste passes into the rectum and remains there as semi-solid phases. The feces matter is removed through the anus from time to time. This is called egestion. Children, up to this we learned that nutrition in animals. The process of nutrition is a complex process involving ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. So let us know the definition of these steps. First one is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is called ingestion. Second one, digestion. The breakdown of complex components of food into simpler substances is called digestion. The third step is absorption. The digested food is absorbed by the blood vessels in the wall of the intestine. This process is called absorption. Fourth one is assimilation. The process of transport of absorbed food substances through the blood vessels to the different organs of the body is called assimilation. Fifth one is egestion. The undigested food or the fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time is called egestion. Children, I hope you have understand the complex process of nutrition. This much is enough for today. We will meet in the next class. Until then, take care. Now it is time for today's homework. Write the keywords 2 times in your homework notes neatly and send it to your group teachers. Here are the keywords on your screen.